Hadirin bau Thomas A. Sangma ulam pang ke yeng dorbar tauan ke jela ula kang banwan rakyat tai halor ke kamti dau yong bian kamtam ke jingja ke badangshan hatang sku ha ke sngi baar ke dorbar mangtingka ha ke khatnyo terik urempang arjar arpun riu. Uba Charles Ping Ro u MLA na nong tmai u yeng ban ong bau menteri rangba u Konrad Kia Sangma u khot da ke Kyrteng kata Thomas yau lampang bat kani hi kam ya hap hapo ke yeng. Ula ong bakum ketika jing khot Kyrteng de ban weng na ki jing bu jing tho ka yeng bat penbet namar ka rules of procedure but conduct of business kam sha kumta. Halor kini ulampang ula ong ba ans examen yaka bat hakani kapor menteri rangba ula yeng ban ong balak ban Bujli no da ka Kyrteng Konrad ya ka baki khot ka yeng kilar khi pasaj. Nakani la yo sngo bau Dr. Mukul Sangma u MLA na songsak bat unong elam galyang persa ula ong bakam dei ka kam Biria. Hadian kini, menteri rangba ula yeng biang ban ong, ba usyam ya ke jingkran uba Charles, bat kumta, haban but renti ya ki rukam penyat dorbar ya ke bau lampang ong biang, ba an sa eksamen ya ka. Kam haswa ke jing pendon kam Kyrteng u Konrad yau lampang, kedai ha kapor bau la penyarap Jubab yau ba lakmen remboi menteri ketenat puli putih, ha ke kenta keli jing keli kabaya dai bat ke jing slam pelat tulop syakin no hikai.
So we come to item number 2.
Sir.
Calling attention.
Speaker, sir.
Allow
me, sir, just 2 seconds. Because there was some, we have deviated from the rules of conduct of business of this House, as per the book.
Will you please state under what rule you are making a point of order?
Sir, let me just say, I can't find the rule, but I know it exists. Honourable Chief Minister in his reply of the education question referred to you as Mr. Thomas. Sir, in this House, we do not refer to the Speaker by name or any member. Therefore, that is an irregularity which has to be corrected, because the rules of conduct of business does not allow that. Maybe the Honourable Chief Minister, in his exhaustive reply, made this statement. Therefore, this, whatever was said as Mr. Thomas, let it be expunged so it doesn't form proceedings of the House. That is my request.
We will examine it.
So we can change the name to Conrad maybe.
No, it's not a joke.
No, sir, I take it. I thank the honourable member for bringing this to our notice, and definitely, sir, the decorum and the rules must be applied, and therefore, sir, as suggested, the decision will be yours, sir, final. So, as I said, we can change the name, and you can add. But my point was to make a point about the whole aspect of ad hoc schools.
As I said, we will examine, and I will come back later on.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office Jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.